You might not know, but Discord itself offers 1 month free Nitro, and it's in upper left corner over here. Now, this free Nitro offer shows up here in upper left corner about every 2 months, and it's available for the next 9 days after that. Now, if you're 13 or 14, you will need a fully functional mother with a PayPal account to let you use her PayPal account to get the free Nitro. If you don't have a fully functional mother with a PayPal account or with money in the said PayPal account, there's ghosttogether.net. So this platform is full of Discord users. They post art. They have daily cats. It's a, full-blown community here happening. People just post organic, natural things. There's no algorithms, no ads, no toxic content. It's actually pretty fun. So your account is going to look like this with all these images. And let's see what else they have here. They have free Discord Nitro giveaway. So you claim Nitro by clicking here, upload your avatar, choose your display name. Just make sure that it's a nice avatar. Confirm. And you're going to get into the queue. Look at all these Discord gamers here already waiting for the Nitro. But guys, I'm not saying that as soon as you claim your Nitro and click confirm, you're going to get it right away. The free Discord Nitro is given away to the most active people on the platform. Well, and I think it's fair, because why should we give it to just about anyone, right? It's only people who contribute to this timeline, but at the same time, it's very easy, guys. All you have to do is just post screenshots or your art. You're actually going to get likes, a lot of likes on this platform for just doing that. And as you get all these interactions with other people, you elevate on the leaderboard here on the left-hand side. So once you do that, and sometimes, I also heard that if you just have a decent avatar and you just post real posts, art, photos, just something real, when Ghost Together sees that, they will elevate you even faster. And you are going to get this. It's not very difficult, but it's not like totally on the same day at the same time. You have to be here for a few days, meet other people, interact with them, like some things, get liked. You can message people here, follow them. And if you do that, you will definitely get Nitro, because what they're looking for is authenticity. If you're a real person, if you post, your favorite game, screenshots, like Miss Honey Games here. Look at that, Stardew Valley, Animal Crossing. And you know this game, right? Yeah, I know you do. Animal Crossing again, I guess. Stardew Valley. I guess she likes those two games. And guys, you know this game. I know you do. Stardew Valley again. This, I don't know which game this is. Again, Stardew Valley. But as you can see, like, this is an example of an account that would get a Nitro, but this user probably doesn't want a Nitro. They're just here for fun. But check this out, guys. Another fun account here. See, like, just do this. Post the things that you love, and pretty much it's going to build your gallery here automatically. And that's that, guys. You can get free Discord Nitro that way. But I'm telling you, you're going to get lost in this community because it's so fun. It's really a lot of artists and all these kinds of users that post very interesting things. It's kind of like Pinterest meets Twitter, I would say, something like that. Yeah, guys, there's a lot more to this platform than that, but they do give away free Nitro, free Discord Nitro. So I hope that this video is helping you guys. This is just an alternative, right? Because we all know that you can get free Discord Nitro from Unreal, from Epic Store, but those are well-known things. This is a completely alternative way and it's totally legit, guys. Here's how you know that they got Nitro. Some of the users, see it says received Nitro gift. If you see this icon, that user got their Nitro. Here's another one here. It's organic, you know, they're all getting them here and there. This user also gonna get the Nitro soon, because you see they're building out their profile, interacting with others, and it's all free. All you have to do is just what you usually do online anyway. So, and this platform goestogether.net is going to reward you for that. So guys, I hope that this really helps some of you get the free Nitro. And I'm going back to what I started this video with. Okay, if you click here, you're gonna end up on the screen on the right hand side. Just go ahead and click on the white button. You'll end up on this payments page. I would select the monthly one because it's only $9.99, just in case your mom gets charged, and not $99, which is like 3 days of groceries these days. So we have card, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and all those other payments methods. I'm gonna use PayPal. If you guys want me to pay, I can actually allow you to use my Cash App username. Just let me know in the comments, and I can probably help you out get the free Nitro with my own Cash App. But just try PayPal, and you're gonna have to click on this connect to PayPal button here. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to let you know that you can actually get free Nitro at Discord itself. Don't get the weird cheap versions. They're usually a scam.